In this video, we will talk about how to make money with cryptocurrency. So make sure to watch the full video. Diving into cryptocurrency offers opportunities for profit through strategic investment, trading, and participation in emerging blockchain technologies. Embarking on the journey of navigating the multifaceted world of cryptocurrency offers a plethora of opportunities to those seeking financial growth and innovation. In this exploration, we delve into 10 distinct avenues within the cryptocurrency space, each revealing its unique potential for profit and engagement. From trading strategies that capitalize on market dynamics to passive income opportunities through staking and lending, we unravel the complexities of mining, content creation, and affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the crypto realm, this full guide aims to empower you with insights, strategies, and knowledge to navigate and thrive in the ever-evolving landscape of digital assets. 1. Cryptocurrency trading strategies. Embark on a journey through cryptocurrency trading strategies, where day trading and swing trading take center stage. Learn the nuances of technical analysis, chart patterns, and risk management to make informed decisions in the volatile crypto market. This exploration includes insights into market psychology, timing entry and exit points, and the development of a disciplined trading approach. Gain valuable skills to navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges, empowering yourself to capitalize on price movements and maximize potential profits. Whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor, understanding these strategies is essential for thriving in the ever-evolving landscape of digital assets. 2. Long-term investing in cryptocurrencies. Delve into the principles of long-term investing in cryptocurrencies, shaping a robust portfolio for sustained growth. Explore the HODL strategy and discover effective ways to diversify your holdings, mitigating risks associated with market volatility. This global guide covers fundamental analysis, research methodologies, and the art of identifying promising projects with long-term potential. By understanding the dynamics of blockchain technology and the broader crypto ecosystem, investors can position themselves strategically, ensuring their portfolios weather market fluctuations and participate in the transformative journey of digital assets. 3. Cryptocurrency mining. Uncover the intricacies of cryptocurrency mining, where the validation of transactions secures blockchain networks. From Bitcoin's specialized hardware requirements to the broader world of altcoin mining, this exploration guides you through the technical aspects and environmental considerations of mining operations. Learn about mining pools, hash rates, and the role miners play in maintaining decentralization. Whether you're a novice miner or a seasoned enthusiast, understanding the complexities of mining is crucial for those looking to participate in securing and supporting blockchain networks. 4. Staking in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Immerse yourself in the world of staking, a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that allows cryptocurrency holders to support networks and earn passive income. This in-depth exploration covers the mechanics of staking, the concept of locked funds, and the potential rewards and risks associated with this passive income strategy. Discover how staking aligns with the broader trend of decentralized finance, DeFi, and its role in shaping the future of blockchain networks. With a focus on empowering participants in the crypto ecosystem, this guide provides insights into optimizing staking activities for long-term gains. 5. Airdrops and forks. Navigate the landscape of cryptocurrency distribution through airdrops and forks, uncovering opportunities for participants to receive new tokens. This guide elucidates the mechanisms behind airdrops, exploring their purpose and the factors that drive token distributions. Additionally, it delves into forks, instances where a blockchain diverges, creating a new cryptocurrency. Understanding how to navigate and capitalize on these events is vital for enthusiasts and investors seeking to enhance their crypto holdings through strategic participation in token distributions. 6. Freelancing and gig economy in the cryptocurrency space. Explore the intersection of freelancing and the cryptocurrency space, where individuals can offer their skills and services in exchange for digital assets. This guide introduces platforms that facilitate crypto payments for freelancers, providing an alternative mode of earning in the decentralized digital economy. Whether you're a writer, developer, or designer, discover how to leverage your talents to earn and transact in cryptocurrency, unlocking new possibilities for financial independence and participation in the emerging gig economy of the blockchain era. 7. Affiliate marketing with cryptocurrencies. Embark on a journey into the realm of affiliate marketing in the cryptocurrency space, where individuals can monetize their online presence by promoting products or services related to digital assets. This extensive guide covers the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, including strategies for effective promotion, audience engagement, and maximizing commission earnings in cryptocurrency. Learn how to navigate affiliate programs, choose suitable products, and build a sustainable income stream, while contributing to the growth and promotion of the broader crypto ecosystem. 8. Content creation for cryptocurrency. Dive into the world of content creation centered around cryptocurrencies, whether through blogging, vlogging, or podcasting. This guide explores the strategies for creating engaging and informative content that resonates with the crypto community. Learn how to monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and direct donations in cryptocurrency, transforming your knowledge and passion for blockchain technology into a viable income stream. With insights into building an online presence, connecting with audiences, and staying relevant in a rapidly evolving space, this guide empowers content creators to thrive in the dynamic landscape of digital assets. 9. Peer-to-peer lending in cryptocurrencies. Enter the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, with peer-to-peer lending in cryptocurrencies. This guide provides an in-depth look at lending platforms that allow individuals to lend their digital assets and earn interest. Explore the mechanics of lending protocols, risk management strategies, and the potential for passive income through lending activities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the concept of decentralized finance, this guide offers valuable insights into participating in lending platforms, contributing to the evolution of financial services in the blockchain ecosystem. 10. Arbitrage in cryptocurrency. Explore the strategy of arbitrage in the cryptocurrency market, where traders seek to profit from price differences across various exchanges. This guide covers the fundamentals of arbitrage trading, including identifying arbitrage opportunities, mitigating risks, and executing trades effectively. Delve into the challenges and considerations unique to cryptocurrency arbitrage, and discover how to navigate the dynamic market to capitalize on discrepancies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to arbitrage strategies, this guide equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to engage in this dynamic and potentially profitable aspect of the crypto landscape. Making money with cryptocurrency involves strategic investment, diligent research, and understanding market trends. Firstly, choose reputable cryptocurrencies based on their potential for growth and utility. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Keep abreast of market developments and regulatory changes to make informed decisions. Additionally, consider long-term investment strategies rather than short-term gains. Beware of volatility and potential scams, exercising caution in your transactions. Ultimately, success in cryptocurrency investment requires patience, discipline, and a thorough understanding of the digital asset landscape. With careful planning and risk management, cryptocurrency investment can yield profitable outcomes in the evolving financial landscape. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.